How to remove professional account on Instagram. First, open Instagram. And here, once you're in Instagram, what you have to do is basically go to your profile. And once you're inside your profile, just basically tap on these three horizontal lines on the top. Once you press on them, you'll be right over here. So what you gotta do is just scroll down until you see the option of for professionals. Now here you will be able to see 4 options inside schedule content, creator tools and controls, and meta verified. You just gotta press on creator tools and controls. And here you will be able to see many options right over here, but scroll down until you see the option of switch account type. Just basically press on that. And now you'll see 2 options, switch to personal account and switch to business account. Just select your desired option to actually remove a professional account. So I'm just gonna go for switch to personal account. And now I'm just gonna press this. So you just gotta wait until it's done. And once you do this, and after a few minutes, your professional account would be removed. So this is exactly it on how you can remove professional account on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, and that's it.